Imagine waking up to a flooded living room. Water damage can be a homeowner's worst nightmare. But don't panic, we've got you covered. Water damage can strike anytime, anywhere, be it from a raging storm, a disobedient pipe, or a sneaky leak. It's a formidable foe that doesn't discriminate. Regardless of the culprit, immediate action is key to prevent further damage. It's not just about drying and cleaning, it's about reclaiming your safe space. Now that we understand water damage, let's dive into how to restore your home. Restoring your home after water damage is a multi-step process that Sellers Roofing Company can expertly handle. When water invades your home, it's more than just a mess to clean up. It's a battle against time and damage. The first step of restoration is the initial assessment. We quickly identify and evaluate the extent of the water damage, creating a comprehensive plan of attack. Next, we move on to water removal. Using state-of-the-art equipment, we extract standing water, reducing the risk of further damage and potential mold growth. This is where the race against time really begins, as every minute counts in preventing long-term damage. The third step is drying and dehumidification. We don't just mop up the water you can see, we also dry out the water you can't. Using industrial-grade dehumidifiers and air movers, we eliminate moisture hidden in walls, floors, and ceilings. Cleaning and sanitizing is the fourth step. This is where we combat the hidden enemies, bacteria, mold, and other contaminants that water may have brought in. We ensure your home is not just dry, but also clean and safe. The final step is restoration and repair. This is where your home starts to look like home again. We repair any structures damaged by water, replacing drywall, installing new carpet, painting walls, and making sure every detail is taken care of. Remember, each step is crucial in ensuring your home returns to its original dry state. So, you've learned about water damage and its restoration process. But why should you choose Sellers Roofing Company for your home restoration? Well, let's delve into that. Sellers Roofing Company isn't your average service provider. We're a team of seasoned professionals who have spent years mastering the art of water damage restoration. Our expertise is matched only by our unwavering commitment to customer satisfaction. We understand that disaster can strike at any moment, and that's why we offer 24/7 emergency services. Day or night, rain or shine, we're ready to lend a helping hand. Our goal? To not just restore your home, but to restore your peace of mind. With Sellers Roofing Company, you're not just getting a service, you're getting peace of mind. Don't let water damage ruin your home. Take action today. With Sellers Roofing Company, you're choosing peace of mind. Our experts are just a phone call away, ready to restore and revitalize your home. Sellers Roofing Company is ready to restore your home. Call 651-703-2336 now.